This is probably one of the more important videos I've made in a while. I don't really do videos like this where I talk about specifically how to, grow your portfolio, things like this. Drop in the comments below if you'd love me to start doing this. And if you want me to start doing this, hit that thumbs up down there, please. Okay. So what we're going to talk about is strategies to grow your crypto portfolio. And I think people overcomplicate this. Okay. So we're going to talk about what you need to do to grow your crypto portfolio. There's like 3 or 4 main strategies. We're going to look at each of them, the pros and cons of them. And I'm going to talk to you about some things that'll help you to do this and things that'll help you set yourself up for success as you go forward. Okay. So crypto trading strategies, how to enhance or grow your portfolio. Okay. So let's talk about the first strategy, basically hodling. Okay. Which how I perceive hodling is very simple. You buy an asset like, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Shiba Inu, whatever, right? Or you buy a group of them, of cryptos, and you're going to hold them. And you're holding them not because I'm going to hold on for dear life and I'm never going to sell. No, you go and you buy them and you have a plan for how much you want to make. Think of it as a long-term investment. You buy, say, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu today, or Polygon, or whatever it may be. And you want to then hold that because you want to achieve a 100% return on all of those, combined, etc. And that may take you a year or 2 or longer. That's a long-term hodling buy strategy. And I talk about that in a lot of my videos. And real simply, in that scenario, you should be, like, let's say you're going to put 1,000 in. 70% of it should be Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the other 30% you can put into anything else you want, Polygon, Shiba Inu, whatever it is, and then just buy and hold. So put it over there and really forget you have it, and then a couple of years from now you come back and you're like, and it will go up in value. Okay, that's investment strategy number 1. Day trading. Okay, day trading, I applaud the people that do day trading. I cannot do it. I can't do it. It's not how I'm built. So there's people that make a lot of money at day trading, but there's also people that lose money in day trading. Okay. So not one that I personally recommend, but if it's built to your personality, and by the way, go out and get yourself severely in a positive way, very much educated on day trading, and there you go. So that's day trading. Not one that I highly recommend. Swing trading is one that I highly recommend. We're going to come back to that one. Scalping and arbitrage is like scalping. I kind of think of as scalping as a variation on day trading. You're looking to make a profit on little bitty tiny price movements. And again, it's not how I'm built, right? And you've got to be paying attention. You got to be sitting in front of your screen. You got to be using software, tech, all this kind of stuff. Okay. So I am going to come back to swing trading because I think that's the key one here. Arbitrage. I think arbitrage is something that's very interesting. It's hard to do. It's basically where you buy a crypto on an exchange where the price is lower, and then you sell it over on another exchange. Usually the issue here is it costs you money to sell and then to move, and whether or not you have enough profit built in. Okay, so arbitrage. So that's something that I know people still do. It's out there. I think you got to kind of know what you're doing, and you got to find the assets. You got to find which ones are you can buy lower, sell higher, all that kind of stuff. Okay, let's go back to swing trading. Swing trading, I think, is one that really, really couples very, very well with that long-term strategy. And there's 2 strategies here. You have your long-term holding strategy we talked about at the beginning of the video. That's buy and hold. All right, cool. I got that. And then you can do what's called swing trading. And all swing trading is when you leverage and you are looking at basically buying and selling on the swing. Now, so you can see, like right here, this is a perfect example of a swing. Okay. So you can see momentum up right here. If you were to buy it there and then go all the way up to that momentum down, that's a 33% swing trade. Buy and sell on the momentum up and down, respectively. So to give you some perspective, 33%. If you were to have bought a $1,000 worth of bone, you would have made $330 on this trade. That's it. That's a swing trade. Just showing you and giving you some insight into looking at how you can do swing trades. It's another strategy to help you grow your portfolio. That's all I got. All right. Thanks. I'll see you.